Ever tried sending money on Cash App only to see declined for your protection? Don't panic. This is actually Cash App's way of protecting you from fraud or suspicious activity. In this quick video, I'll walk you through how to fix it step by step so you can get your payments going again. First, double check your Cash App balance. You can't send what you don't have, so open the app, tap the bank icon, and confirm that you have enough funds before trying again. Next, make sure your app is updated. An outdated version of Cash App can cause failed transactions, so head to the App Store or Google Play and update to the latest version. Then verify your account details. Go to your profile, confirm your name, date of birth, and linked bank or card details. If your debit card has expired or your billing address has changed, update that information right away. Internet connection issues can also cause this error. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which works better, or move to a location with stronger signal. If you're new to Cash App, finish the account verification process. Sometimes pending transactions require you to follow prompts. Just tap the transaction and complete the steps to unlock your account. And if you're using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can block transactions, so clearing it out might fix the problem instantly. Finally, if nothing works, contact Cash App support. Open the app, go to your profile, select support, and start a chat or call them directly at 1-800-969-14940 during business hours. That's it. Most of the time, just updating your app or verifying your details solves the problem. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more Cash App tips, and check the description for related guides to keep your transactions smooth and secure.